Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link your crypto Calm account to your bank account. This guide will help you seamlessly connect your financial institution, enabling you to deposit and withdraw funds with ease. We will cover the straightforward process, ensuring you can manage your digital assets efficiently. Get ready to simplify your crypto experience by integrating your bank account in just a few simple steps. To begin, open your crypto Calm app and head to the Account section, then select Fiat Wallet. Here, you will choose your preferred currency, like US dollars or British pounds. You'll then have the option to link your bank account. Many users find the instant deposit method, often powered by services like Plaid, to be the quickest way to connect their bank. Verification is a crucial step to secure your account. You must complete Know Your Customer, or KYC, by providing a government-issued identification. If using an instant method, you will securely log into your bank through a third-party service. For manual linking, Calm will send 2 small microdeposits, typically less than $1, to your bank account, which you will then confirm in the app. Once your bank account is linked and verified, you can easily deposit funds into your crypto Calm Fiat Wallet. Simply initiate a transfer from your bank using the provided details. Minimum deposit amounts can vary, for instance, 20 British pounds. When you're ready to withdraw, select your linked bank account, enter the desired amount, and confirm. Withdrawals typically process within 1 to 3 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.